Welcome back to TechWise, your guide to digital skills made simple. Today we're going to explain what QR codes are, where you'll see them, and how to scan one with your phone. I'll be using an Android phone in this video, but don't worry, iPhones work the same way for this skill. A QR code is a little square you can scan with your phone. It works like a shortcut. You point your camera at it, and it opens a website, menu, coupon, or even helps you connect to Wi-Fi. You'll see them in places like restaurants, on mail, or even at doctor's offices. Here's how to scan one. Open your camera app like you're taking a picture. Point it at the QR code. Hold steady for a second. Don't tap, just wait. You'll see a little pop-up on your screen. Tap that, and it takes you right where you need to go. If nothing happens whenever you scan the QR code, try these tips. Move your phone a little closer. Make sure the code is well lit. Try holding the phone a little more steady or using pinch to zoom in a little closer to the QR code. Once you tap the pop-up, your phone will open whatever the QR code is linked to. Maybe it's a menu, a sign-up page, or even a discount. It's just a faster way to get info. No typing, no searching. Most QR codes are safe, but not all. Don't scan random ones from strangers or flyers you don't trust. If it looks sketchy, skip it. And that's it. Now you know how to spot a QR code, scan it, and stay safe while using them. Stay tuned to TechWise for more mobile skills made easy. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope now you are more TechWise.